Hey everybody, it's March 26th, Thursday, and quick little video today. I'm going to show you how to make little ladybug snacks. I sent you a couple of ladybug activities that you could have done today or do over the weekend or next week. We're going to have spring break next week, so hopefully with all the things I've been sending, you'll have lots of things to choose from for next week as well. So I'm going to show you this little snack. I've already washed my hands, of course, very important. You need strawberries cut in half. Let mom or dad or older brother or sister do that. Blueberry. And a tube of this black gel. You get it by the area where you make the cakes and stuff that has like all the candles and things like that in the store. All right, so this is super easy and it looks really cute. So you take your half a strawberry, and I'm going to draw a line with the icing going right down the back, like that. And then I'm going to put some dots. My dots aren't staying really that great. They're stretching out a little bit, but that is okay. So little dots. Looks kind of like a little ladybug already. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a drop of the icing on. Let me pick a blueberry. It looks like a good sized head for a ladybug. All right, I'm going to put just a little bit on the end here so it's able to stick to it. You probably can't see that because it's so dark. But then I'm just going to put this on the end of the strawberry. And voila. All right, let me move that. And there are my little ladybug fruit bites. Those turned out really cute and very, very easy. Something you can do at home if you just have a little bit of the special somethings there that you need. Strawberry, blueberry, little black gel right there. And you can make those and make snack time a little bit more fun. Okay, so we're gonna go out here because yesterday I introduced you to another family member of ours, and that was Grisabella the cat that purred a little bit for us. And Mr. Scott is out here making something for her, so we're gonna go out here and see what he's doing. Hey, Mr. Scott, what you doing there?
Hello, hello. I am building a replacement cat box. And you might wonder why we have a cat box. It's because of Doofus. She always gets the cat food.
She likes cat food.
So what we did years and years ago is I built a box, and it has lived its life. It is time to replace it.
We keep adding strips of wood so Greta can't get in there, and she still finds a way. But can you show them how it opens up there?
So it goes like this.
That way we can
Put her food in there.
put her food in there. It's just spilled anyway in her water.
Rather than try to salvage this one, I'm going to build me a new one out of all the leftover wood. And you're just in time for me to nail the last piece of wood on.
Oh, good. So you've already made this.
I have.
Very nice, and it's a white one this time.
Yeah, and
That's gonna
this
be pretty.
is my handy dandy nail gun.
Ooh, that has some power.
That's right. It makes
be real
things go
careful.
much faster. So this piece hopefully fits into here, like so.
All right,
And
you gonna show us how to use the nail gun?
well, I'm going to hold it.
But you have to be careful of your fingers.
Have to be careful of the fingers. I've made a few little boo-boos, but since this is a cat box, I'm not going to worry with it. Bam.
Ooh, that's loud. Ooh. There's so, oh my goodness, Roxy Roo, the old one is going crazy. I don't know what she's.
Rotate the box.
But I don't know. Hang on, I got distracted. There's a big tall bird down there by our dock. I thought that's what Roxy and Greta were going after. Maybe oh, he's moving now. Okay, I'm so sorry. Continue.
Oh, got a little bit off here, but oh well. Anyway, I'll nail the last board in.
Is this going to have a lid like the other one?
It will eventually.
This is not something you would ever mess with.
Nope, you can definitely get hurt.
Really get hurt that way.
So this goes
All
like
right,
this.
let's see.
So So Grizzy can go into there,
Very nice.
and I made her a back window.
Get a little air in there.
I don't think we'll need a floor, but we probably will need some kind of top. So I'm gonna go search for
You
some
don't think we
plywood.
need a floor in there for her?
No.
Okay. That looks very nice.
Yes, coat of fresh paint, and we'll be good to go.
We'll go with the white in the house too. So, but you haven't done the lid yet.
No, I gotta build the lid. I
Okay.
have to design it.
I think she'll be happy there.
Yeah, this time I made it flat.
Oh, okay, with slanted
since it's
before.
inside.
Because this is our porch that we are slowly building. All right, you want to see something fun?
Yes.
Here we go. This is Miss Maps' wind chime. Look what it is. Oh no, it got dark. Let's try and pull it over here. It's a bunch of moose. There's the light. Okay, so that's it for today. I told you it would be a little short. But tomorrow morning, we are going to try as a class to do Zoom. And you might have heard of it, or maybe your parents use it if they work. It's a way that we can all get together on the computers, and it puts all of our pictures on the same screen, and we can talk to each other. And what I told your parents was have something ready for show and tell, because each person's going to have a chance to show something. And for the first time, you can pick something that's alive. Yes, you can, because you're going to be at your own home. But we're going to try it out because Miss Mappus probably will want to use it more for school, but we want to give it our first shot. I've never done it before, but I'm very excited to see you all tomorrow morning. So it's going to be tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock, and hopefully you all can make it, and if not, there'll be another time for sure. But I look forward to seeing you then and talking to you and finding out what you've been doing this week and meeting maybe some live people or seeing whatever you are bringing for show and tell. So we will see you in the morning. Bye.